Oh fuck, it's all
Mason,
wet.
why did you grab the umbrella?
It wasn't my job. You never were like, hey Mason, grab the umbrella. You were more focused on getting in fucking line. Home dog.
Still, it was right by your leg, in front of your face.
Why you hide yourself?
Are you videotaping or are you taking
Yeah, for the internet.
I don't like pictures or videotaping.
Why? It's so different. Because you're scared people are gonna like.
That bothers me.
Oh, you're not even wearing them anymore.
Well, now you're wearing Adidas pants.
Now I'm wearing Adidas pants. And now my camera's gonna fucking break.
I'm so set for the concert.
Yeah, I would not be surprised if your camera got broken. Yeah. It's not even mine. I didn't pay for it.
You're such a pretty boy.
Fine. Stop.
Yeah.
So are you gonna get so many close-ups of my face? I don't know, cause I'm actually. People behind us. Yeah, there is. Not that many people.
It's a delight to take you home. One stupid call and I end up.
Oh, it's recording. It's recording.
Hi.
I thought you hated video. Jesus. Oh, there's our Chinese food that we just ate. As you can clearly see, we moved up from back there. Almost getting hit by that. Oh, that scary black man came back. Remember the guy who almost hit us?
Oh, yeah?
In the car? Yeah.
He came back, yeah?
Yeah, I just brushed my hair. There's your hair, bro. Yeah. Your hair looks pro wet, actually.
No, just let me keep.
Your hair looks like really pro wet.
Oh my god, I fucking know, right?
These are our Twitter friends. Let them through Twitter. Don't lick my legs.
How long my bangs are when they're wet.
Oh, when you find me on Facebook, you should subscribe to my YouTube channel. It's amazing. I make videos. I do. They're freaking amazing. I should just like walk around concerts and just be like, yo, hook me up.
Hook me up.
You'll see yourself on YouTube then. This is going on YouTube. I bet no one watches your videos.
I think
you bet 55,000 people do. What? Yeah, let's brush this hair. Okay. What am I just gonna record your legs? Yeah.
Oh, it's recording. Hi.
Clearly.
Say hi, Mason.
Hi.
Nice comb over shit. Do some comb overness. Now put your hat on. Oh yeah.
Oh, I was supposed to say something mean.
Twitter friends, hello, hi. This is gonna go on YouTube.
Yeah, I already recorded one. Why are you like recording this?
Because
the camera's getting really wet.
Oh my god, I'm actually.
Well, I just licked that.
Oh, I totally like.
Oh, it made it all foggy as shit. Ah, don't lick it.
Time to lay claim to the evidence.
That makes me fall in love with you. Are you in love with me? Wow, look so far away on camera.
I know it always does.
Crazy. Well, I want to show behind though.
Not tall enough, Mason.
Yeah, I like it look that high.
I have giraffe arms. Do it. See how many people are behind us.
I did.
How many?
I don't know. I'll show you after. Well, there's a bunch of.
Shit, believe in what you want to believe, no matter what. Each and every one of you are fucking beautiful. Don't let anybody tell you otherwise. The song is called Therapy. It goes out to all of you.
I got your picture, I'm coming with you, dear Maria, count me in. There's a story at the bottom of this bottle and I'm the pen.
Maybe another time.
I'm gonna explain it then.
Explain it.
I will, but I don't want them to see me.
Why?
That looks like shit, yo.
That hair looks fucking terrible.
I know, so I want my face out. Fucking, would you put it? I'm just gonna hold it. Cause, there we go. Kayla's better. I don't care anymore. Yeah, so my backpack got stolen, I assume. Because she wouldn't take a fucking majestic backpack like that. And...
Explain what was in it.
Huh?